My name is Myra Cagete. Anong pagkakaiba ng how do you do at what do you do? Yan ang ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo sa video na ito. Let's start with how do you do. Ang how do you do ay isang formal greeting. Ginagamit natin to or sinasabi natin to kapag tayo ay nakapagkilala or kapag tayo ay ipinakilala sa isang tao for the first time, of course.
Hello, I'm Jack Daniel.
How do you do? I'm Donna Cruz.
San Jose, I'd like you to meet Miss Reyes.
How do you do, Mrs. San Jose?
Remember that how do you do is not really a question. It's just a greeting, just like hello, or nice to meet you, or it's a pleasure to meet you, o kaya naman pleased to meet you. In a casual situation, it would be better to just say it's nice to meet you or hello instead of how do you do, because how do you do is very formal. Ngayon, kapag may isang tao na nagsabi sa iyo ng how do you do, paano ba yung dapat na response natin? Okay? So you can simply say how do you do rin. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinabi niyang how do you do, then you can simply reply, how do you do? Some people would say, I'm fine or I'm good. How do you do? Ngayon, paano naman yung what do you do? Ang what do you do ay isang question talaga kumpara dun sa how do you do. Kasi yung how do you do ay isang lang. Ang what do you do, it really requires a response. Another way to say that is, what do you do for a living? So, ibig sabihin, itong mga ganitong questions ay tinatanong natin sa isang tao kapag gusto nating malaman kung ano yung trabaho nila. It is usually asked for work or during networking events, okay? Actually, this is my suggestion or this is my advice. Be careful when you ask these types of questions when you are in a social gathering, for example, kasi you might sound rude or you might create an awkward situation kapag tinanong nyo yung what do you do or what do you do for a living sa isang tao na unemployed. Ngayon, ano naman yung dapat nating isagot kapag tayo ay tinanong ng what do you do or what do you do for a living? I'll give you some examples.
What do you do?
I'm a receptionist at one of the 5-star hotels in the city.
It's been a long time. What do you do? I'm a marketing assistant now and a parkour enthusiast. I got into parkour about 7 years ago.
Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Kung meron, please don't forget to click the like button. You can also share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you again next time.